Top 50 cryptocurrencies summarized in one sentence. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NFTs Explained. Today, I will briefly introduce you with the top 50 cryptocurrencies in the market. With the vast amount of new blockchain and cryptocurrencies platform out there, it is easy to get overwhelmed when looking for a project to invest or get involved with. This video summarizes each of the top 50 cryptos based on the ranking from CoinMarketCap at the time of making. So without any further delay, let's get started. 1. Bitcoin, the grandfather of crypto. Secure, decentralized transactions and store of value. 2. Ethereum, number 1 smart contracts and token platform. Leader in providing a robust platform for decentralized app development. 3. Ripple, fast and secure transactions similar to Bitcoin but targeted towards financial institutions. 4. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin fork that provides cheaper transactions and a more open development process. 5. Cardano, established by co-founder of Ethereum smart contracts platform, the Ethereum of Japan. 6. Litecoin, what silver is to gold, Litecoin is to Bitcoin. 7. NEM, world's first smart asset blockchain. 8. Stellar, just like Ripple, caters more towards end users rather than financial institutions. 9. IOTA, no mining, no blocks, no transaction fees, limitless nano payments. 10. Dash, digital cash, private transactions via masternodes, quick confirmation times and low fees. 11. Neo, smart contracts ecosystem similar to Ethereum. Goal is to be a platform for a new smart economy, China's largest cryptocurrency. 12. Tron, ERC20 token. Goal is to be a decentralized entertainment content sharing platform. 13. MONERO, number 1 currency for anonymous transactions. 14. EOS, smart contracts platform similar to Ethereum but with performance and scalability benefits. 15. ICON, wants to hyperconnect the world by building one of the largest decentralized global networks. 16. Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin fork that uses a new POW algorithm and faster block difficulty adjustment, ultimately allowing for GPU mining. 17. QTUM, Singapore-based Ethereum and Bitcoin hybrid. 18. Ryblocks, focuses on scaling and zero-fee transactions. 19. Ethereum Classic, Ethereum fork that didn't revert the hacked DAO funds. 20. Lisk, smart contracts platform similar to Ethereum but based on JavaScript. 21. VERGE, just like Bitcoin but faster transactions with Tor integration. 22. OmiSego, ERC20 token, extension of the company Omis, payment processor in Asia. 23. SIACOIN, distributed cloud storage platform. 24. BitConnect, branded a Ponzi scheme by regulators and investors, allows for lending of Bitcoin using their platform. 25. Zcash, privacy-centric cryptocurrency similar to Monero but with a different protocol. 26. Bytecoin, just like Bitcoin but with faster transactions and a different POW algorithm. 27. POPULOUS, Ethereum-based platform designed for invoice and trade finance. 28. Stratis, BaaS, blockchain as a service, allows companies to create their own private blockchains and applications to run those ledgers. 29. Binance Coin, ERC20 token issued by Binance Exchange, allows users to pay lower trading fees using the coin, is a way to invest in the exchange. 30. BitShares, a decentralized exchange and a platform for smart coins like BitUSD, BitGold, BitCNY, which are pegged to the value of their counterparts. 31. ARDOR, a blockchain platform that will allow people to utilize the blockchain technology of NXT through the use of child chains. 32. KuCoin shares, just like the Binance coin but for the KuCoin exchange. 33. Tether, a cryptocurrency that represents fiat currencies. Each tether is backed by $1, essentially pegging each tether to $1. 34. Dogecoin, such dodge, much wow, very meme. 35. Status, an open source messaging platform and mobile interface to interact with decentralized applications that run on the Ethereum network. 36. DENTcoin, ERC20 token, whose goal is to be used in the global dentistry in order to reduce costs, improve dental care and create a community. 37. STEEM, the currency for the STEEM platform, an incentivized blockchain social media platform, get paid to post content. 38. VeChain, blockchain-based platform that provides retailers and consumers with the ability to determine the quality and authenticity of products that are bought. 39. Waves, blockchain-based platform that allows users to launch their own custom cryptocurrency tokens, can also exchange these tokens on a P2P exchange built into the wallet. 40. Dragon Chain, private/public hybrid blockchain with levels of trust, developed in Disney's office in Seattle. Currency is called Dragons and is an ERC20 token. 41. WAX, short for Worldwide Asset Exchange, token is used as a payment method on the marketplace Opskins, which allows anyone to list their own virtual goods like CS, Skins, CryptoKitties and much more. 42. Just like Bitcoin, it's at faster transactions, less fees and a different POW algorithm. 43. VERITASEUM, a P2P platform similar to WAX, and BitShares, a token rental facility, a vehicle for conducting peer-to-peer, over-the-counter token transactions. 44. 0x, pronounced 0x, is an open permissionless protocol, allowing for ERC20 tokens to be traded on the Ethereum blockchain. 45. AUGUR, a decentralized prediction market built on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing you to forecast events and be rewarded for predicting them correctly. 46. ARC, an ecosystem that allows users to build their own blockchains from ARCs, has a feature called Smart Bridges which allows the bridging of multiple blockchains. 47. DENT, backed by DENT Wireless Limited, allows anyone to buy, sell or donate data using the Ethereum blockchain. 48. Komodo, a hybrid between Bitcoin Dark and Zcash, featuring a delayed proof-of-work protocol. 49. HSHARE, a token for Hcash, a cryptocurrency designed to transfer value between blockchains, allows for private transactions, DAO governance, and quantum resistance. 50. Golem, a global open-source decentralized supercomputer that anyone can access. And do take note that this is not financial advice, so do your own research before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Until then, peace out.